Hey guys, what up? As you can see today, I'm doing a YouTube video. And as you can know by the name of the video, slimes, how to fix your slimes, and the real hacks, good hacks, and yeah, let's go. So I have a clear slime right now. I have like glitter and dye to it, but now it's like a green glittery slime. So first, if it gets really hard, that you cannot play with it. Do you have water? Get warm water also. And then put your slime underneath the warm water, but keep the lid on. Keep the lid on it, and it'll feel as good as new. This will be the results. It can stretch way more, but I just haven't done. So that was before. Now let's do it after. Let's go really warm. And you want to press the slime down on the. By the way, the water I'm using right now is steaming, so my fingers are burning. Okay. As you can see, it's steaming. You probably can't see it because you're in the video. But then you want to dry it off very lightly. Open it up. Here are the results. Some water might have gotten in there, but that's good, because then the slime will moisturize all the water, and it will get the feeling. Okay. Then you might also want to keep this slime in like a in that area. Then after a couple days, you can come back to that area, and it'll be all nice and new. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it right here. Dry up tomorrow. All nice as new. Okay, this one. My friend made it. She made it for me yesterday. As you can see, it's very hard because I haven't been playing with it all that lot. But I'm gonna show you as a hack. It's gonna be the water one also, but there's another hack you can use with like fluffies, with like a hard slime like this. Okay. What you want to use is you want to put it in an area for a long time and don't touch it. Or put it in the fridge. That makes it harder. So just get the warm water and pouring it on top like this. Okay, so it's there. And this time you do not want to dry off it. And it'll be as soft as new. You might want to do this every day until it gets used to it. And you play with it. Okay. Here, wait. Okay. And that's it for the hacks. Bye, guys.